breast cancer can occur in pregnancy, and generally it is more common between 32 to 38 years of age, and generally one in around 3,000 pregnancies can have breast cancer developing during pregnancy. And it is very obvious that it is very difficult to palpate the lump or a nodule because the breasts are already under the effect of hormones, and they are into preparation for lactation. The breast development is there, and then it is very difficult for one to palpate the nodule or a lump. And early detection, sometimes we miss the early detection of breast malignancy. But then yes, they do have breast malignancy during pregnancy, and the treatment depends upon the stage of the malignancy when it is detected. Secondly, the trimester of pregnancy, in which trimester it was detected. For first and second trimester of pregnancy, mastectomy is the option of the surgery. And yes, chemotherapy we are not able to give in first trimester, but then yes, second and third trimester we do have a chemotherapeutic agents which can be given. Radiation therapy, no, that is not given. But then in third trimester, if you can go in for breast conservation surgery, and after breast conservation surgery, we have to give radiation to the breast. So you can go in for the surgery in third trimester as a breast conservation surgery, and the radiation can be given after you deliver. You can always administer the chemotherapy in the third trimester. Second trimester, first trimester, you avoid it. There are specific drugs which we can give. And breast cancer itself doesn't harm the baby. Okay. In first trimester, if you give chemotherapy, which is, but then it is, you cannot give, it is contraindicated. You can undergo surgery, and later on you can go in for, when you go into second trimester, you can take the chemotherapeutic agents, and then you can go on with the pregnancy. So that is the difference in surgery. Yes, in third trimester you can go in breast conservation surgery. For first and second trimester you go in for radical mastectomy, and first trimester no chemotherapy, and in second and third trimester you can go in for chemotherapy. That is how it is managed. But then it is not that you are pregnant, then your prognosis is bad. No. But then the stage of detection is very important.
Right, ma'am. Because during a pregnancy, one has to be there. There could be a lot of complications that could occur, and the treatment plan
Yes.
has to take place according to that. It's a little tricky for a doctor from a doctor's perspective. Yeah.
Absolutely. For anesthesiologist also, the general anesthesia does has its, does play a role there. And also the hormonal therapy we cannot give during pregnancy. It has to be started after the patient delivers. That is one more option for breast cancer treatment.